So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can transform your casual image like this to this with Canva AI. So you can easily create professional headshots like this with Canva, and you just need Canva Pro, and you don't need to use any type of Canva apps for this, because as you know, in Canva apps, many apps are in subscription mode, so you can not use 1 to 2 times if you are not buying the app subscription also. So with the Canva Pro, you also need to purchase the app subscription. So we don't want that. So we only need to use the Canva Pro account, and just we can create professional headshots like this. So let's start with it. So I am choosing this image. As you can see, it's a portrait image, and we can transform this into a professional headshot image. So let's start with it. So I'll quickly go to edit, and here as you can see, it is Magic Studio, and it is free to use if you are having a pro account. So I'll just scroll down to find Magic Edit. Okay, and I will just select the brush size and just cover the parts for which we want to make the professional look, and just cover it. So as you can see, the covering is done. Now here in describe your edit part, you need to write here, give me a professional suit look for interview. Okay, and that's all. You don't need any other thing to write here. So and you need to click on generate. So as you can see, the image is generated, and it's a great professional headshot. If you are using it for interview look or a LinkedIn profile, or you need to post it on any of your social media accounts, you can easily do that. So hope you like this tutorial. This is a very easy one to follow, and you are getting here 4 looks. As you can see, this one, and this one. So any type of look you can just try it here, but I really like this first one, which is auto suggested by Canva, and I really like the look here it is presented.